And the substance of the negotiations are connected here. How to make a distinction between our country and the region of Macedonia in Greece. The negotiations trying to find a way how to get agreement. I hope that the next month is really possible to find solution also for that problem. So the suggestions are Republic of North Macedonia, Republic of Upper Macedonia, Republic of Vardar Macedonia, Republic of Macedonia in branches Skopje, our capital, that make geographical distinction. And of course, I announce that for me and my government is acceptable to have geographical name in our name,